In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Word with Copilot enabled and then walk you through drafting a press release from scratch. Let's get started. First up, we'll need to ensure that Word is opened with Copilot enabled. If it's your first time using Copilot, it's essentially an AI-powered assistant that integrates seamlessly with Word to enhance your writing and productivity efforts. To get started, you'll need to open Microsoft Word as you normally would. If Copilot is enabled, you'll notice a sidebar or an additional menu option that indicates it's active. Make sure to have a document ready or create a new one so we can dive right into it. Once Word is up and running with Copilot, our next step is to provide some key information about the announcement you want to make. Think of this as setting the stage for your press release. Ask yourself some pivotal questions. What is the essence of the announcement? Who is your target audience? Why is this news significant? Jot down bullet points or a brief summary covering the who, what, when, where, and why. This initial framework will be crucial for the next step because it gives Copilot the information it needs to create a draft that truly resonates with your goals. With your key information ready, it's time to bring in the magic of Copilot. Using Copilot is as easy as asking it to do what you want. In this case, request it to draft a press release. You can do this by typing in your document or a designated chat box that Copilot uses. Don't hesitate to be explicit about your requirements, such as mentioning the tone or style you wish to adhere to. Perhaps you want it to be formal, informative, or maybe even a little casual. Articulate these aspects to Copilot, and you'll soon see a draft generated before your eyes, which you can use as your foundational press release document. Now comes the editing and customization phase. This part is crucial, as the draft from Copilot is a starting point rather than the finished product. Go through the draft carefully and adjust elements that don't fit perfectly with your message. You might need to tweak the introductory paragraph to make it more engaging or alter specific sentences to highlight certain aspects of your announcement. Personalize the content by adding quotes from your organization's stakeholders or incorporating additional details that align with your brand's voice and identity. Remember, this is your opportunity to elevate the draft into a polished and compelling press release. Before you conclude, double-check your final draft for any grammatical errors or inconsistencies. Read it aloud if you can. This often helps in catching any overlooked mistakes. Once you're satisfied with the final product, save your work and you'll have a press release ready to share with the world. And that's it for today's tutorial. By utilizing tools like Copilot in Microsoft Word, you can streamline your writing process and produce professional documents with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!